Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure exploding topics for SEO-driven content planning, detailed guide step by step clearly. To configure exploding topics for SEO-driven content planning, begin by creating an account on the Exploding Topics website. Once registered, log into your account and familiarize yourself with the dashboard layout. Navigate to the Explore section to discover trending topics relevant to your niche. Filter the topics based on your specific industry or interests to narrow down the results. Examine the data provided for each topic, including search volume and interest over time. Take note of topics that show a steady increase in interest, as these indicate potential content opportunities. Click on a topic for more insights, including related keywords and audience demographics. Review the suggested keywords associated with the topic, focusing on long-tail keywords that can drive targeted traffic. Compile a list of relevant topics and keywords that resonate with your target audience. Once you have your list, develop a content calendar to plan your SEO-driven articles and videos. Incorporate the selected keywords naturally into your planned content titles and outlines. Next, utilize tools like Google Trends to validate the popularity of your chosen keywords. Analyze competitors' ranking for those keywords to understand their content strategies and gaps you can exploit. Create high-quality content that addresses user intent for each chosen topic, ensuring it is informative and engaging. Optimize your content by including meta tags, headers, and internal links related to the target keywords. After publishing, monitor your content's performance using analytics tools to track traffic and engagement metrics. Adjust your strategy based on the performance data to continuously improve your content planning. Regularly revisit exploding topics to stay updated on new trends and adjust your content calendar accordingly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation step. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.